It's a quick video on some soldering techniques I use. Step 1 is I use solder that is 60% tin, 40% lead. Leadless solder does not stick as good and melts at a lower temperature. Step 1 is to have a clean iron. If you melt plastic, I scrape it off. It has to be a hot iron though. There we go, starting to heat up. I scrape this shit off. I don't have a sponge, I don't use them because cools the iron down and then you have to wait for it to heat up again. Hopefully that's hot enough. And then make sure you get stuff, I don't know if it says on here, flux core. Focus. There we go. Flux helps clean the parts, even your iron. What I do is you see that smoke coming off, that's the flux burning. I put a heap on there and then go smash. You get a nice clean. There's a bit there, still a bit dirty. Nice clean tinned tip. Start with this. Doing circuit boards. Strip that a bit. Make sure you don't have any frayed bits like that, because burnt plastic insulation can create resistance. Resistance creates heat, and as you know, sometimes heat can cause fire. Twist that up. Always tin everything first. Tin the iron again. When you're tinning, you want that flux smoke coming off. Don't breathe it in. It's very toxic. Tin the wire. Focus. It's not going to focus. Where'd it go? You want your tinning to be nice and shiny. If it's brown, yellow, it's yuck. You won't get a good connection. I don't know where that wire went on here. This is just for demonstration purpose. We want to get that flux smoking again. Clean the tip. Okay, nice and clean. Do it on something that's not going to burn. Tell you, by the way. Solder on there. Just pretend it's this joint. I'll heat that up. Once we bridge that, we don't want that to happen. Anyway, let that cool. Any more longer than about 3 or 4 seconds, you'll start melting circuits, wires, whatever. So keep that in mind. Especially smaller components, you will burn them out. I need this because I get the shakes from medication and shit. Mr. Helping Hand. Turn that around. Line that up where you want it. Now they're both tinned. Falling over. You still see that? Focus. It's not focusing. There we go. Yeah. Again, we need that flux going. that's 50% of the process, is that flux. Quick dunk and it's done. And again, you want it to be shiny. I know that connection's bridged, but that's just, it's a demo. Now, I'll get on to the joining wires. Alright. I like to twist the ends of the wire. Makes it pretty uniform. And solder up. Solder, however you say it in your country. That flux melting. And then we just, where's the lens here? Just run that along. Again, only about a second at a time or you'll melt the stuff that you don't want to melt. Yeah, nice uniform tin. Do the next one exactly the same. See that solder? It's bad. Clean it off. Start to burn. Clean solder. Clean tin. Let that cool. Get it in your jig or whatever you got to help you. I used to be able to do all this one-handed a few years ago, but I feel like I got Parkinson's disease sometimes when I shake. Quite embarrassing, but anyway. And we want to line those up pretty good. Camera see that? Not really. See how they're lined up? Want them pretty good. Clean your iron again. It's in picture, there we go. Clean your iron again. No, solder's cheap. Bit on there, you don't need much. Thicker wires you don't need to have more solder, you can just use the stuff that's tinned. That should, I'm shaking like too much. I can't do this, I've got to use more solder. Just a little bit. I'll just run that from, run it from one end to the other. Should end up with something like that. Let it cool. That will not come undone. See? Shiny too. You want shiny. Yeah, little bits. Yeah, you don't want that. You can carefully snip it off. It's strong. The threads will break here before that breaks. Anyway, I hope this helps some of you. Bye.